Good evening, children. Namaste. How are you all? Hope you all are spending some quality time with your parents. I want to introduce myself. I am Vasvi teacher, and today I am going to do one activity. And the activity is paper folding dog. What is a dog? What is a dog? Yes, dog is a pet animal. And what is a pet? Pet is something that we keep them at our home. We can also play with our pet, but at the same time we should take good care of our pet. Now I am going to tell you what all things or materials that we need to make this dog. So you have to watch me very carefully. We need two white color square shaped papers. You can take the help of your mummy or daddy. They are going to cut it and give it to you. Then we need a small sheet of any color paper. Then we need a black color marker. We can also make use of a black sketch pen or a black crayon. Then we need a small bottle of Fevicol. We can also make use of a glue stick or a Fevistick. Now one request I want to make to the parents, please provide all the things that your child needs to make this dog, and also make sure that you are around with your children when he or she is attempting to make this dog. Now shall we begin? But before that, children, I am going to give you instructions at least twice. You have to listen to the instructions very carefully. They will be very helpful when you want to make this dog later on. Are you all excited? Excited? I am very excited. So let us start. First we are going to take this white color sheet. What is the shape? What is the shape? Yes, it is a square. Shall we count the sides? Shall we count together? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So square has how many sides? Square has 4 sides. Now we are going to fold this paper. We have folded like this. And now what is the shape? Shape is triangle. Shall we count the sides? 1, 2, 3. So triangle has 3 sides. In the same manner, we should also fold the other sheet also and make it into a triangle. Now you can see this opening. This is the opening. This opening should be facing you. And these both sides, these corners, you are going to fold it like this. Like this. Okay? On both the sides, both the corners, you are going to fold it and make it into 2 triangles. Okay? And this is the opening. Okay? Now the other triangle you are going to take. Okay? And other triangle, this is the opening. Okay? And this is the longer side. So the longer side should be facing you. And here also you are going to fold the corners. See, like this. You are going to fold the corner. Okay, both the sides corners you are going to fold it. Okay, you can see. And now you are going to take the first one. These are the ears of the dog. You are going to stick this both the ears. You are going to take Fevicol. You can also make use of what? Yes, you can make use of a glue stick. You can also use a Fevistick also. Okay? See? These both are stuck. We are going to take the other one, and these also we are going to stick it. Little bit of Fevicol only you are going to use. Now you can make out what is this. This is the head and this is the body. And these two should go together. So we have to stick these two also. We are going to stick the head and the body together. See now, both are being stuck. And now we are going to take black marker and we are going to put some spots or dots. See, like this. Okay? All over the dog, you are going to draw this. They can be circles, they can be oval, anything. Okay? It's your own creativity. And if black marker is not there, what can we use? Yes, we can use a black sketch pen or a black crayon. So this is what I have made. Okay? Now something is missing. What is missing? Yes, eyes, nose and mouth. We are going to draw. Now, got it? Eyes, nose and mouth. And now we are going to make a bow. Okay? We are going to cut it. You can tell your mummy or daddy, they are going to cut it and give it to you. But you are not going to touch the scissors. As you know that scissors are very sharp. So if you touch the scissors, then what will happen? You might get hurt. So you can ask your parents to cut it and give it to you. So this is what I have made. This is the bow. Now we are going to stick this. And children, if you don't have this color paper, you can take white color paper only and you can color it with any color. Okay? Now your dog is ready. How is it? Nice? You can display this in your room. You can show it to someone who comes to your house that you have made this. Okay? Now you all will make this dog? What? Yes or no? Yes? Oh, you all are good children. Now that's it for today, children. Thank you, children. And stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.